Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about the emerging recruitment practices at present in a corporate, how it is going on. After this session, you will be able to know that understanding of emerging recruitment practices in recently in a corporates. Especially my sense in that most of the companies facing problem to getting the right person at the right time at the right place, especially for the companies which are in the growth oriented mode. So usually companies should devise a comprehensive recruitment plan and procedure, and if you are a HR working and you are going to work in the good companies, then also you also must devise a comprehensive recruitment plan and procedure and should be in line with their business strategies so that they don't fall apart of their targets due to non-availability of the right people at the right time, and also right people are available from him within when they required at a short notice for any leadership position. So some steps I'm going to tell you that some procedures you may be attempted to suit your requirements, and that is you please listen it carefully. These all steps if you follow then you can do the proper recruitment and you will get the right person. So first you plan your business recruitment requirements for 2 to 3 years, not for 1 or 2 days. You have to plan that how many people you will require for what work slot in next 2 to 3 years. Next, how the organization will look like. Next, readiness of your leadership pipeline, spot and nurture leaders. Means these three steps, three things you have to must plan. Means once you are planning for a business recruitment requirement for 2 to 3 years, so then these all agenda you have to set. Then after that, define the job. For each business or functional head level position, specifies competencies needed in that role. Job based, what capabilities will the job require? In a team, will the applicant needs to manage political dynamics? That also you have to see. Organization based, what resources, means physical, technology, talent, means what resources will the company need to provide that person who are going to fill up that role. So build the talent pool. Means develop your reach widely for candidates by requesting board members, vendors, professional service providers for suggestions. Use outside insiders and outside sources for developing this pool. Means since these people are familiar with the company culture, and hence candidates suggested by them are likely to be successfully in the company. So in this way you need to prepare the JD. Once you prepare JD, then after that now you need to examine the candidates. So how will you examine the candidates? So candidates should be properly examined by the boss or boss supervisor and the top person, and that is also through the one process, and that process should be a BEI. Usually BEI stands for the behavioral event interview. Means evaluate the references through former boss, peers, direct reports in this, and then next conclude the process. Once you have settled on the final choice of the candidate, boost the chance job offer will be accepted through showing genuineness in the candidates. Show your passion about the business prospects. Acknowledge the roles, opportunities and challenges. Strike a balance in annual salary, incentive and deferred bonuses. So in this way, you are going to conclude in the process. Next, you need to socialize your new candidate. So design meetings for newcomers for the first 6 months with boss, CEO and HR heads. Have a regular check on newcomer how they are settling down into the system. Ask them open-ended question. The objective being giving them the platform to share their thoughts. Assign them senior member of the organization to act as a support. So in this way, you are going to and concluding all growth-oriented companies should have a such type of ongoing process of recruiting people. As we have a market research department to understand the behavior of products, customers and competitors. R&D functions for product innovation. Similarly, I call the recruitment functions as people research function. By way of keep interviewing relevant and right people, we come to know what type of competencies and skills are available and what is happening in the similar kind of company or industry. As during the interview process, people are vocal and share their views and thoughts openly.